Ladies, I know we all want to be desperately loved. We want somebody to be with, to hold us, to cherish us. But I'm tired of these young girls on social media bragging hard about marrying or being with these old men. Now, I'm not trying to be mean, but I saw a woman, a young girl, my fault, a child in her 20s, rolling around with a man 90 something in a wheelchair. 90 something. I'm like, this have gone too damn far. Enough is enough already, young girl. Then the poor child had the nerve to say this old man treats her better than any man she's ever been with. Honey, he ain't got no choice but to be good. What else he gonna do? He in a wheelchair. You moving him. Of course you're not gonna mistreat yourself. And then to top the interview off, the child had the nerve to say she want kids. The person interviewing her asked her how, and she was like, I don't know. Of course you don't know because it's not going to happen. But then they looked at him and asked him, was it possible for him to have kids one day? The man couldn't even hold his head up. We still don't know what he looked like. And you know, if the top head ain't getting up, the bottom head damn sure ain't getting up. Now, now, I'm not a psychic, but I don't see no kids in her near future. I just don't. I just don't. And then the couple get married and they rolled out the little white roll down the hallway. She got on her white gown. She rolling him in the wheelchair. You know that man thought that was a nursing home hallway and she was his nurse. He don't know they getting married. He just going with the flow. And young girls, if you're gonna go old, go ahead and go old. But don't try to influence every young woman to go old. You know, they try to influence the young girls to go get an old man saying, those are the men that can take care of you. Those are the men that can provide for you. That young men don't even have a car to drive. They cannot provide. They can't take you anywhere. Girl, ladies, have you ever been with a young man? You don't need no damn car. They'll have you skipping for no reason. Your friends see you skipping down the street, ask you why you skipping. You don't even know why you skipping. Just happy for no apparent reason. Have you ever wondered? Have you ever wondered? Have you ever wondered why young couples are violent?